I have nothing to wear. If your day 2 starts with this short horror story each time you open your closet, then this video is for you. Honestly, we all know the reality is not that we don't have enough clothes. Problem is that we don't manage our clothes according to us and according to different events in our life. So we end up buying more.
Buying more is not a solution. Managing wardrobe is. So today we are going to tell you 5 techniques that will help you to build a workable wardrobe so that you won't repeat this statement again.
The major part of our life is spent at our workplace. So as your job profile increases or you switch your profession, your wardrobe should always be updated accordingly, because different professions and different positions demand different clothing. Say if a manager is promoted to a senior manager, or if a homemaker starts her own startup, then a parallel leveling up in the wardrobe is equally important.
In fact, the people you deal with, that is your clientele, they also decide your work attire. For instance, if someone is a journalist, so the one who interviews celebrities more often wear colored and creative professional clothes. Whereas who debates with businessmen, politicians, bureaucrats won't go below executive formals. And the one who does ground reporting, goes in public, would definitely prefer humble and casual formals.
While managing wardrobe, you don't need variety of clothes, you need versatile clothes. Versatile wardrobe helps you to mix and match so that with one outfit you can create multiple looks. So to add versatility, invest more in basics, classic styles and solids, because it's very easy to coordinate them with other pieces. Unlike decorative outfits, it's quite difficult to repeat them because their details are noticeable. For example, a basic black blazer. If it's paired with denims, it gives you a business casual look. Putting on formal trousers makes you look super professional. And if you wear it like this with a little change in accessories, then you're ready for a dressy event. This way, with few pieces, you save money, get multiple looks, that too for different kinds of events. So versatile wardrobe is a wise wardrobe.
Another reason of this nothing to wear problem is that our wardrobe is not managed proportionally according to our lifestyle and number of occasions we have to attend. Sometimes we buy just before the event and sometimes we buy but the event never comes. So the simple solution is, before constructing your wardrobe, check your schedule, where else you need to go besides your workplace. Family functions, social events, dinner party, gym, yoga classes, trekking, school PTM, work travel, vacations. Now buy clothes in proportion of their usage. The more you need to wear them, the more proportionate they should be in your wardrobe.
Now, we can't ignore our physical traits while building our wardrobe. This includes our body type, height, waistline, neck length. Because in different phases of life, sometimes we are losing weight or we are gaining, so we need to reset our wardrobe each time.
Now this doesn't mean we have to totally abandon certain style of clothes from our closet. No, we just need to make little changes in the way of wearing them. Let's take an example of denims or lowers. If you are petite or short-heighted, then high-waist pants is the best option for you because it will give you a lengthening effect. In case of curvy body, go for straight leg pants. And if your body type is tubular, fuller pants, mom jeans or even cargos are good to go. Majority of our clothes remain untouched because either we have bought them on sale or they were in fashion, and we keep on repeating 2-3 outfits in which we feel this is so me. Now this means those few outfits are in perfect sync with your personal style. So why not construct a wardrobe where by looking at each piece of cloth we say this is so me. For this, let's find out your personal style. It is based on your personality traits, psychological traits, your body language traits, and your clothing preferences. You know the colors, textures, patterns you like. On the basis of all this, it's figure out which type among all these 6 are you or you may be a combination.
Now, if you come out as a sporty person, then your closet must have more of lively and youthful stuff like bright colors, funky patterns, sneakers. Whereas a sportive person's wardrobe should include bold stuff, earthy tones, rough fabrics, plaids. If you don't know your personal style, it doesn't mean you don't have one. It's just that you haven't discovered it yet. Let your wardrobe reflect your personal style. Either get it done by professional image consultants like us, or you can try hit and trial method. Remember one thing, personal style is the base of your wardrobe construction. Your unique personality dominates everything else we discussed before.